Construction, a dance of grit and steel, shapes our world. Yet, this ballet of progress comes with inherent risks. Every day, men and women navigate a landscape of heavy machinery, towering structures, and ever-changing conditions. Their courage builds our cities, but safety must be the bedrock. That's where Job Hazard Analysis, or JHA, comes in. JHA isn't about paperwork, it's about people. It's about identifying potential dangers before they turn into accidents. It's about sending everyone home safe, every night. In this essay, we'll explore JHA, focusing on the lifeblood of construction scaffold safety, sidewalk sheds, and hoist operations. We'll delve into NYC Local Law 196 of 2017 because safety isn't optional, it's the law. This isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about building a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility. Let's get our hands dirty with knowledge so we can all build a safer, stronger future. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? Without a clear plan, you wouldn't know where to start, what materials to use, or how to ensure the structure is safe and sound. The same principle applies to workplace safety. That's what it's like working without a job hazard analysis, or JHA. It's like navigating a maze blindfolded, with potential dangers lurking at every turn. A JHA is a step-by-step plan to identify and control hazards on the job site. It's your roadmap to a safer work environment, ensuring that every task is performed with the utmost care and precaution. First, we break the job down into manageable tasks. Each task is analyzed to understand the specific steps involved and the potential risks associated with each step. Each task, from rigging a scaffold to pouring concrete, gets scrutinized. What could go wrong? A loose board? A tripped wire? We consider every possible scenario, no matter how unlikely it may seem. We identify every potential hazard. This means looking at the environment, the equipment, and the procedures to pinpoint where things could go awry. Next, we find ways to minimize or eliminate those risks. This is a critical step in ensuring that the job site remains safe for everyone involved. This is where the hierarchy of controls comes in. It's a systematic approach to managing hazards, starting with the most effective measures and working down to the least effective. Can we eliminate the hazard altogether? This is the most effective control measure. If a hazard can be completely removed, the risk is eliminated. If not, can we substitute it with something safer? For example, using less hazardous materials or safer equipment can significantly reduce risk. Engineering controls, like guardrails, are next. These are physical changes to the workplace that can help prevent accidents. Then administrative controls like training and signage. These measures ensure that workers are aware of the hazards and know how to avoid them. Finally, we have personal protective equipment, or PPE. This is our last line of defense, protecting workers when other controls can't fully eliminate the risk. NYC Local Law 196 of 2017 mandates specific safety training. This law is designed to ensure that all workers are equipped with the knowledge and skills to stay safe on the job. This law isn't about slowing things down. It's about ensuring everyone understands the risks and how to mitigate them. Proper training can make the difference between a safe workday and a tragic accident. JHA isn't a one-time deal. It's a living document that evolves with the job site. Conditions change, new tasks arise. What was safe yesterday might not be safe today. Regularly review and update your JHA to keep safety top of mind. By staying vigilant and proactive, we can ensure that every worker goes home safe at the end of the day. Scaffolds are the temporary skyscrapers of construction, essential but potentially perilous. They rise alongside the buildings they help create, providing the necessary platforms for workers to perform their tasks at dizzying heights. However, with great height comes great risk, and understanding these risks is the first step in mitigating them. Understanding the different types is crucial. Each type of scaffold serves a unique purpose and comes with its own set of safety protocols. From the simple supported scaffolds to the more complex suspended and mobile scaffolds, knowing which to use and how to use it can prevent accidents and save lives. Supported scaffolds are the workhorses, resting on sturdy foundations. These are the most common type, used in a variety of construction projects. They are built from the ground up and can be adjusted to different heights, making them versatile and reliable. However, their stability depends heavily on the quality of their base and the care taken during their assembly. Suspended scaffolds, like window washers' platforms, hang from above. These are often used for tasks that require access to the exterior of tall buildings. They are suspended by ropes or other non-rigid means from an overhead structure. The key to their safety lies in the strength and security of their suspension system. Mobile scaffolds, think rolling towers. Convenient but require extra caution due to their mobility. These scaffolds are mounted on wheels, allowing them to be moved easily from one location to another. While this mobility is a significant advantage, it also introduces additional risks, such as the potential for tipping over if not properly secured. Proper installation is paramount. A scaffold is only as strong as its base. Ensuring that the base is level and stable is the first step in creating a safe working platform. This involves using base plates, mud sills, or other appropriate supports to distribute the load evenly and prevent sinking or shifting. Ensure it's level, secure, and built to handle the load. This means checking that all components are properly connected and that the scaffold is capable of supporting not just the weight of the workers, but also their tools and materials. Overloading a scaffold can lead to catastrophic failure. Bracing and ties are like a scaffold skeleton, providing stability. These elements help to prevent the scaffold from swaying or collapsing under load. Proper bracing and tying are essential, especially in areas exposed to high winds or other environmental stresses. Always follow manufacturer guidelines. They're not suggestions, they're lifelines. These guidelines are based on rigorous testing and are designed to ensure the safety and integrity of the scaffold. Ignoring them can lead to serious accidents and injuries. Before every use, inspect the scaffold. Look for loose components, rust, or damage. Regular inspections are crucial to identify and address any issues that could compromise the scaffold's safety. This includes checking for wear and tear as well as ensuring that all parts are in good working condition. Regular inspections during use are critical too, especially after any incident or adverse weather. High winds, heavy rain, or other environmental factors can weaken or damage a scaffold. Conducting thorough inspections after such events helps to ensure that the scaffold remains safe for use. Remember, a competent person must oversee all aspects of scaffold construction, use, and dismantling. This individual should be trained and knowledgeable about scaffold safety and capable of identifying and addressing potential hazards. This isn't just a title, it's a responsibility that can mean the difference between life and death. The competent person plays a crucial role in ensuring that all safety protocols are followed and that the scaffold is used correctly. Their vigilance and expertise are vital in preventing accidents and protecting lives. Section 4. Sidewalk sheds. Shielding our city, one structure at a time. In the urban jungle, sidewalks become obstacle courses during construction. Pedestrians are forced to navigate around barriers, often putting themselves at risk. This is where sidewalk sheds come into play, providing a safe passageway amidst the chaos of construction. Sidewalk sheds are our pedestrian protection, but only if they're built right. These structures must be robust and reliable, ensuring that they can withstand the elements and the hustle and bustle of city life. Proper construction is key to their effectiveness. NYC Local Law 196 is crystal clear: sidewalk sheds must meet stringent requirements. This law outlines the standards for design, materials, and construction practices, ensuring that every shed is up to code and capable of providing the necessary protection. Design, materials, load capacity, everything's got to be up to code. Engineers and construction workers must meticulously inspect and reinforce these structures to meet the required standards. This attention to detail is what keeps pedestrians safe. Improper construction isn't just a violation, it's a recipe for disaster. A poorly built shed can collapse, causing injuries or even fatalities. It's crucial that every step of the construction process is followed to the letter. Installation matters. The shed must be anchored securely to prevent collapses. This involves ensuring that the foundation is solid and that all components are properly fastened. A secure installation is the backbone of a reliable sidewalk shed. Regular inspections are vital, looking for wear and tear, loose parts, or anything that compromises structural integrity. These inspections help identify potential issues before they become serious problems, ensuring that the sheds remain safe for use. Maintaining a clean and clear shed is crucial. Debris and clutter can obstruct the pathway and create hazards. Regular cleaning and maintenance ensure that the sheds are not only safe but also accessible for all pedestrians. Debris buildup not only violates codes but also creates tripping hazards and fire risks. It's essential to keep the sheds free from any obstructions to maintain a safe environment for everyone. Sidewalk sheds might seem like simple structures, but their importance is paramount. They provide a safe passage for pedestrians, shielding them from potential hazards and ensuring that they can navigate the city safely. By following regulations and best practices, we ensure they fulfill their role, protecting our city's lifeblood, its people. Every well-maintained sidewalk shed is a testament to the dedication and hard work of those who build and maintain them, ensuring the safety and well-being of all who pass beneath them. Section 5. Hoist operations lifting safety standards. Hoists are the muscle of a construction site, lifting tons of materials and sometimes people. But like any powerful tool, they demand respect. Load limits are non-negotiable. Overloading a hoist is like playing Russian roulette with tons of steel. Inspect the hoist's load rating before every lift and never exceed it. Communication is key. Clear signals between the operator and riggers prevent disastrous misunderstandings. Establish a system and practice it. Lives depend on it. Maintenance is non-negotiable. Worn cables, faulty brakes, or malfunctioning controls are accidents waiting to happen. Regular inspections by qualified personnel keep these critical machines running smoothly and safely. Operating a hoist isn't for rookies. Only trained and authorized personnel should be at the controls. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Section 6. Winter's grip. Conquering cold stress and slippery surfaces. Winter throws construction a curveball. Frigid temperatures and icy surfaces turn routine tasks into high-risk endeavors. Cold stress is a silent threat. Hypothermia can set in gradually, dulling senses and leading to poor decision-making. Frostbite can cause permanent damage. Dress in layers, take warm-up breaks, and know the signs of cold stress. Slips, trips, and falls become more likely on icy surfaces. Wear appropriate footwear with good traction. Salt or grit walkways and work areas. Clear snow and ice promptly to prevent dangerous buildups. Visibility can be compromised in snowy or foggy conditions. Ensure adequate lighting and wear high-visibility clothing. Winter demands extra vigilance. Implement a winter safety plan, train your crew, and always prioritize safety over speed.